Hello friends, welcome to 5 Tech. This is OnePlus 70 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take a slow motion video in OnePlus 70 smartphone. First of all, you need to go to the camera mode. Open camera and swipe from here. Click on slow motion option. Now start recording. I record this video. While recording this video, it will be like a normal video, but after finishing the video and if you play the video will be playing in slow motion. I have stopped recording the video. Now I play the video. See here, video is playing in slow motion. In this way, you can easily record a slow motion video in your phone OnePlus 70. I play the video in landscape mode. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.